Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can dress like emoji and dress to impress. Okay, this is the outfit and I'm going to show you how I created this outfit. So I'm just going to go to this section and these are the items I'm wearing right now. To create the hat, you can use this here and you're going to color it with this color. You can copy my color code, and then for the adjustment you can follow my adjustment. For the position, rotate and scale. Okay, and to create the eyes you can use this ear warmer. You're going to color it with this color for the first position, for the first preview, and for the second preview you can color it black. And then I'm going to show you the adjustment for the position, rotate and scale. And to create the mouth, you can wear this mask, color it brown, and you're going to copy my adjustment for the position, rotate and scale. And to create the teeth, you can choose this headband and color it white. And then this is for the toggle. And for the adjustment, you're going to follow my adjustment for the scale, rotate and position. Okay, and then for the outfit, for the other outfits you can choose this I don't know, this fur heel, and then this shoe, just color it with the same yellow, and the stocking, this shirt and this pant, just color it with the same color, and then this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create emoji and dress to impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.